We're proud to present House Plan 7275, a super luxurious Tuscan home design with 8,001 square feet of sophisticated style. If you're looking for a breathtaking mansion that'll fit into a sunny location, this could be your dream home. Let's take a peek at some highlights. The formal living room welcomes you inside with dramatic 2-story volume. This is definitely the heart of the floor plan. Notice that the living room is surrounded by gallery hallways on 3 sides on 2 stories. This classic architectural feature is beautiful to behold and keeps a sizable floor plan feeling connected. Here's the view from upstairs, where a stunning bedroom suite can be found at each of the 4 corners. Back on the first floor, the study is tucked aside to create a quiet place to get work done. It's just one of the many extras you'll love to have at your disposal. The master suite is a treat. With so many windows and a sunny sitting area, it's a morning person's dream. But the appeal goes well beyond the bedroom itself, because you'll find tons of storage in the walk-in closets and an amazing ensuite. Check out that garden tub and the shower that spreads behind the whole back wall. The his and her vanity and toilet closet complete this luxurious suite. Just imagine getting ready for the day and events in this space. The formal dining room will be perfect for hosting dinner parties. It's just across the gallery from the living room and also connects to the pool deck and back. Perfect for all sorts of gatherings in every season. The casual breakfast nook is beside the kitchen, an exceptionally roomy culinary workspace prepared to feed the whole family and guests. Look at all the counter space and cabinet storage. The double-wide refrigerator has been concealed with panels in this home to maintain a bright and clean aesthetic. Finally, the casual family room provides a relaxed place to hang out, a necessary balance to all the formality. The covered lanai connects to the family room, underscoring the hosting potential of this Tuscan home design. It has an outdoor kitchen and its own powder room, of course. The pool deck shows the relation between the family room, dining room, and master bedroom. They all have patio doors to really open the house up. You can see the 3 open balconies on the 2nd story from the rear. The 2 on the sides are connected to suites, while the one over the dining room is accessed from the gallery hallway. If you like spending time outside when you're home, you'll just love House Plan 7275. Has this Tuscan home design piqued your interest? Come view the plan page on thehousedesigners.com to learn more about it. Our experienced house plan specialist can even help you modify the design to create a custom dream home just for you.